What is up, everybody? Res M3 back here again. We got some big things coming to the channel, but today we actually got Cars and Coffee. It's pretty nice being able to enjoy Cars and Coffee yet again. So we're gonna be meeting up with Benny, V, and a few other guys that we know. So it's gonna be a good day, but as of now we're just gonna cruise over there, and then it's gonna be a good day. So let's get to it. Made it to the meet. It's nice. Intake popped off, so I had to reattach it, but that's why I brought all my tools. But we're gonna check it out and then we'll see what we're gonna get to. I also see that I have low battery, so it might be a lot of GoPro footage today, but we'll see what we can get. This is what you call the FU money row.
Well, it's turbo, but it acts like an actors.
I don't know if I would ever buy one of these, to be honest. It's like too much. That's a hint of what's coming soon. SVJ. Doors. Damn. Extra large pizza. ALA. Is that a Supra? Still got the sticker on there. Launch edition. A lot of people don't like these, but I honestly, I would buy one of these. I'm really even considering it, but so much money into the M3, so I don't think so. For Con here, I don't know if I'm saying it right, I hope I am, but right here he's got a new 2020 Supra launch edition. Just bought it yesterday. Tell us a little bit, like, what inspired you to get a 2020 Supra over like some other cars that are out there right now?
Well, I've been a Toyota fanboy like forever, since I'm sure a lot of people are, like Fast and Furious days.
Hell yeah.
I wanted to get one so bad, and a lot of people were buying the C8, so I was like, well, you know what, this is probably a good time for me to buy a Supra. And I ended up getting a launch edition, which I'm really excited about.
Yeah, the launch edition is nice, but that's pretty much what we wanted to ask, because like I was saying right before I met you, I actually love the new Supras. Like, I even considered getting it and trading in my F80 M3 just to kind of be like, have one of the first ones, be the first owner. And it's just something that I want to kind of be a part of, but I've put so much into the M3 that I kind of love where it's at right now, and I feel too attached right now. But thank you so much.
Of course.
I appreciate it. We'll definitely get some more clips of the Supra, but congrats on your purchase.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
Yep. All right, we're gonna keep looking around and we'll see what else is out there. That launch edition though, nice. 362. Sabri Motors over here.
Talking about it.
What's up?
How are you? I don't have my camera.
Alright, it's all good. I saw the M6, I knew it was you already. It's a good meet, dude.
Where's your car?
It's parked over there. I just got the new wheels. We'll go check it out. But hey, you guys need to follow Sabri Motors. If you don't, post some dope videos. Here it is. Rude as fuck. Out of here. Too much money. Wow, what a beaut. What is up, everybody? I forgot to film an outro to the video, but you already know what to do if you like what you saw. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe, as you're about to see. But if you stayed this long, I want to show you a little sneak peek of next week's video. Here you go. Hey, remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. Rez out.